Alright, just a quick update on the siding. We're actually finished blocking in the walls. We put our blocks on the floating trusses to give a 12-inch overhang on the very front and very back, so those are ready to be hung. But again, we're on hold due to the weather, but all the walls have their blocks in to sturdy them up in preparation for putting the plywood siding on. So yep, so now we're just on a rain delay. Once the weather improves, we'll try to get the siding on next. Alright, we got our siding stacked up here on my cinder blocks that I've had left over from my retaining wall project. The red wafer board is for the roof, and underneath is smooth finish plywood. We decided to go with plywood because after pricing the T111, it was almost double the price per sheet, and you start doing the math, we need a total of 36 sheets. Started doing the math, and it was going to be anywhere from $800 to $1,000 just for T111 siding, but using finished plywood we brought that price down to between $500 and $600. So once we get that up, we'll make our own trim and then put the paint on, and paint it probably like a barn red or something. So it'd be just a lot cheaper doing it that way, and it's the same thickness, same type of siding, even though it's, one's plywood and one's labeled as T111 because of the fancy cuts on it. So that's where we're at. Alright, so after 4 days of rain delays, we finally got the house wrap on in preparation for the siding, using the Tyvek home wrap, and got the entire structure covered along the sides, front, top, and along the side closest to the gate. We bought a 150-foot roll, and we still had some left, so it worked out pretty good. Keeping plastic on, we're the chance we might start on the roof first before doing the siding, just because of the rain situation. We're still in between. We got a bit of a dry spell, at least we think so, but if there's a chance 30% or more, we're not sure if that could affect the siding. So we shall see and proceed with either the siding or the roof next. Well, we've decided we're going to go ahead and start on the siding, and we just got to get the red colored roof wafer board off first, but we're probably going to be delayed by rain yet again. We've got a storm coming in this morning, so we're on hold till it clears up. Alright, just a quick video update. We have been thwarted by rain yet again, but at least we got siding on two sides. It's actually just half-inch sheets of plywood. So, but yeah, we're going to do some trimming and stuff, and we got to finish up near the top a little bit, but get the gable next. But yeah, we'll continue this tomorrow. So let the rain. Hopefully it'll give us another break. We'll see. Okay, so we got the other side of the shed sided with plywood, and also got the front. My dog guarding the place already. So yeah, we got everything pretty much done here. We still got to do the loft and the back side, and then we're going to try to go ahead and paint it real quick. The rain looks like it's finally moved out of here, so we're on go to try to get the rest of the siding put on, and may go ahead and get some trim as well. Get that up there. So, proceeding on. Alright, we're running a little bit short on nails right now, so we're going to pick some up tomorrow so we can finish up the siding up top there. So in the meantime, we went ahead and installed the doors. Got the solid front door. We're going to add a deadbolt to this later, but got everything installed, so it's ready to go. Lock works pretty good. Had to fine tune it a little bit, but that's in. We got the back door. We got a cute little 2030 window in the side, only one, and this is the back door with the glass and the blind. We want to have glass in the back, basically. Have a nice view of the junkyard back there, but yeah, we don't want people to see in through the front, so we just made that a solid one there. But this one has a deadbolt, and it works pretty good. So, yep, we'll probably put the steps in next. But, yeah, needs a little bit of painting, but overall, really turned out excellent. So, we'll get the rest of the siding done the next day or so, once we get the nails. But, yeah, we'll go ahead and put some steps in here probably pretty soon as well, and get those done. Alright, final update for this siding video. We've got the back loft area finally sided, and went ahead and put the roof trusses, or the floaters there, attached to the final roof truss on the front and back. So we went ahead and wrapped plastic over it, just in case it rains, because we're probably not going to get to the roofing for at least another few days, maybe a week. So I'll show you what it looks like in the front here. Alright, here you go. This is the front. We got the siding put on up there along with the floater truss as well. We ran 3-inch screws in each 2x4 block up there that's holding it to the actual roof frame. So, and we got the pieces of the OSB, which are furred out for boxing it in once we're ready for it. So, but yeah, this is pretty much it for the siding part. We're going to go ahead and probably start working on the trim and the paint next, so stay tuned.